we are back in my tiny garage. So it's quite tiny. Here is the wall, there is the wall, but yeah. Today I will do something what I never did on my car, and I did it on many cars, but I didn't do on this specific car. And this is the reason why I wanted that we do it all together. And maybe we'll learn something new, and maybe this sticker will really suck to go down. So yeah, let's do it together, change the cabin filter, and then let's go and see it, how it's done. I believe that it's on a co-driver side, so on this side, because European car, Switzerland, so the driver is this side, co-driver here, and I believe it's here under the dashboard. We will take it out and check it, how it works and how it looks. I don't know how it looks. Can be that will be quite nasty, but let us surprise and let's open it together. And here we are, and here we have two bolts. One is here inside, the another is here, somewhere here. Be careful, because here you have also the electric power, so that you don't stick the finger inside and get shocked. And we are out here, electric. We need to disconnect it. That's it. And we have here the light. We need also disconnect it. And that's it. The plastic is out. So that's completely plastic out. We are out. Here is the cover, like this down, and here come the filter now. Squeeze it inside. Oh yeah, it's dirty. It's bad. If we compare with the new one, which is here in the box, I'll just take it out. So, and you can see all this dust, dirt here inside stuck. So yeah, we need to change this quite often, and it's important because of the everything was is inside, coming in the engine, coming inside. We need to change this more regularly. I was having now 1 year since I purchased the car, and yeah, now install back, but not yet. What I will do, I will clean the box first, because I believe that we can still put some dirt out and can be a little bit more clean, ready for the new filter. So let's do this first. I will not take nothing special, normal glass cleaner, and I will try to clean the box as much as possible. So inside here, and then in the box inside. You see it, it's come black out, so it doesn't cost you nothing if you clean this a little bit, because you have open, you spend 5-10 minutes more, clean it, and everything is nice, and yeah, it looks more beautiful. It smells, probably will smell a little bit different and everything. So that's nice to do it. I always like to do it. So let's put it back inside. There is no direction, no nothing. We just need a little bit put in shape, the same like it was when we pull it inside. And yeah, then we put bolt together, we put plastic together, and it's done. Actually, it's done in less than 10 minutes if you normally a little bit care, and that's it. So yeah, let's do it. So filter inside, bolt it back with bolts where they was. If you will suffer where is the bolts, I will show you now. We have like this here, and one bolt is here on this side, here we have it, and another is on this side. So, and then we put this plastic down, this plastic away, and filter is inside. So the plastic is back together, and now 2 bolts more, and that's it. So that's it, straightforward. Change the cabin filter, and yeah, that's really fast done. I believe was 10 minutes, maybe even this, not with a little bit explanation. And yeah, next time I need to do some other things. I have the oil filter to change, and oil, and a big discussion when we did this. So we change our rod bearings. This is also, and we have another project here. Repairing a carbon and making some carbon parts. That's also something which can be quite interesting